Hi, my name is Gator Hillard, and I'm here on behalf of Expert Village. And today we're going to talk about making New Orleans style barbecue shrimp. We got the onions cut, we got the shrimp cooking, and like I said, you don't want to overcook your shrimp. I didn't stick any oil or anything inside the onions because obviously there's enough olive oil in here. Go ahead and dump your onions in. Give it a good stir. You want to try to get those onions on the bottom. But the whole reason that you're sticking all these ingredients together is so that the shrimp can pick up that flavor. Make sure this gets on the bottom. Everything's totally coated in oil. Because when you coat everything in oil, it cooks everything pretty much evenly. And you'll find that out once you try using it. But you want to go ahead and just let these onions cook up a little bit until they start getting translucent. This is not a dish that you want to sit over here and burn up your ingredients. It's just something that you want to slice, saute until, like a lot of these things, the onions and everything, your garlic comes like translucent. You might want to add like a little bit of color to that, but we'll come to that next. Just keep on stirring it. Make sure those onions are on the bottom of the pan. And once they cook, it's fine. They can be wherever.